Today I am showing how to make simple aloo paratha. Around 250 gram wheat flour, salt to taste, water for kneading the flour. Knead the flour same like chapati. Ingredients for stuffing: 6 medium potato boiled, 3 medium onions, half medium size lemon juice, 4 green chilies, 1 sprig coriander leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons refined oil. Smash the potatoes, finely chop onion, coriander leaves. How to prepare the potato stuffing: pour oil in the pan and add the onion and the green chilies. When the onion becomes translucent, add the lemon juice, coriander leaves, smashed potato, turmeric powder and salt. Now stir it and smash it. Now the potato stuffing is ready. Make medium size atta balls and flatten it. Stuff inside the atta the potato mixture. Then make it like normal chapati. Then you can make the paratha. As shown in the video, apply oil on both sides and prepare the paratha. Now you can relish this paratha with butter, pickle or curd. Option is yours.